Let's have a look at what happens now when we have a positive number and we want to take away a negative number. Right, now again, let's start with our zeros before we attempt to even calculate anything. So we have our zero sum pairs where a negative and a positive integer equals to 0. All right, so there I have 4 zeros on the screen. And now I want to add two positive numbers to my zeros. So 1, 2. All right. Next up, I want to take away 3 of the negative numbers. So let's just that. Okay. So now I want to remove. That's why there's a subtract sign. I want to take away 3 of the negative integers. So what I'm now left with is one pair of 0, which cancels each other out, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positive integers. Right. I don't have to write the plus symbol because if it's just 5 on its own, that's also positive. So for this round, the positive integers won because they were 5 more than the red integers. Right.